You're standing on the deck of a ship. The air is cold, but calm, too calm. The ocean stretches endlessly in every direction, dark, silent, empty. Above you, the sky is clear. Stars reflect off the water, like nothing could ever go wrong. Behind you, people are laughing, talking, living, like this is just another night. Because to them, it is. This ship is supposed to be perfect, unsinkable. That's what they said. And when something is called unsinkable, you stop questioning things. You trust it completely. But earlier that day, warnings came in. Ice ahead, again and again. Signals passing through the air, trying to reach someone who would listen. But the ship never slowed. It kept moving forward, fast, because nothing had ever gone wrong before. And when nothing goes wrong for long enough, you start believing nothing ever will. You move closer to the edge, looking into the darkness. No wind, no waves. The ocean is like glass, beautiful but hiding everything. High above, a man watches the horizon. No binoculars, just his eyes against the night, searching, waiting. And then he sees it. A shape, faint but wrong. It doesn't move. It just sits there, growing larger every second. A message is sent, a warning. Turn. But something this massive doesn't change direction quickly. Momentum carries it forward, silently, inevitably. There's no explosion, no violent crash, only a quiet scrape along the side of the ship. So soft, many don't even notice. Some pause, some look around, then continue as if nothing happened. But below, the ocean has already entered. Cold water spilling into steel compartments. One, then another, then another. The design was strong. It could survive damage, but not this. Not this many wounds, all at once. Above, questions begin. Small at first, uncertain, confused. There are lifeboats, but not enough, and the ones that are lowered leave with empty seats, because no one truly believes this ship can sink. You feel it now, a slight shift, barely noticeable. The front of the ship, lowering, slowly. Time stretches, moments feel longer. The cold becomes sharper, the silence heavier. Then something changes. The angle increases, voices grow louder, confusion turns into fear. Orders are shouted, feet rush across the deck. But it's already too late to do everything that should have been done earlier. The ocean waits below, dark, endless, unforgiving. The front disappears beneath the surface. Water climbs higher, relentless. The back of the ship rises, lifting people into the air, higher and higher. For a moment, everything pauses, as if the world is holding its breath. Then it breaks. The ship is gone, swallowed by the ocean, as if it was never there. Now there is only water, freezing, endless. Voices echo in the darkness, calling, hoping, fading. The cold takes over, slowly, silently, and one by one, the sounds disappear. Hours later, nothing remains. No light, no movement, just an empty ocean under a quiet sky. It wasn't just the iceberg, it was the warnings ignored, the speed never reduced, the confidence that nothing could go wrong. A series of small decisions that led to one irreversible moment. And by the time anyone truly understood, it was already over.